students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Act 4 Scene 1, the Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. Okay, Act 4 Scene 1. I already taught up to line 140. Today I am going to teach from line 141, that is Shylock's speech. Okay, before starting, let me recap a little. The scene opens in a court of justice presided over by the Duke. Shylock refuses to forego his claim to a pound of Antonio's flesh in spite of repeated pleas from the Duke and Antonio. The Duke, seeing that the course of the trial is taking a harsh turn, is about to dismiss the court. He has barely finished speaking. The arrival of the Paduan doctor is announced. Nerissa, as a lawyer's clerk, enters the hall and delivers a letter to the Duke. Now, let's start from here. Shylock, till thou cannot rail from the seal of my bond, thou but offends thy lungs to speak so loud. Now Shylock is telling this speech. Now why is Shylock telling this speech? Because previously we have seen that Grishanio told about Pythagoras' theory and told that he did not used to believe in Pythagoras' theory, but now he is believing in Pythagoras' theory because he has seen Shylock. And next he tells that Shylock is wolfish, bloody, starved and ravenous. At that time Shylock tells that, okay, what is Shylock telling? You cannot make me cancel this bond. Means Shylock is telling Grishanio, whatever you are telling, you cannot make me cancel this bond with your abusive words. You are merely harming your lungs. By shouting so much, what are you doing? You are harming your lungs. Okay, telling to Grishanio. By speaking so loudly, improve your intelligence. Next he is telling, repair thy wit. Okay, repair thy wit means improve your intelligence. Good young man, otherwise it will become so much ruined that it will never be cured. Okay, otherwise it will never be cured. I stand here to demand nothing but justice. Now, what is Shylock telling? I stand here for law. Okay, I don't anything else except law. Now, Duke is telling, this letter from Bellario doth commend a young and a learned doctor to our court. Where is he? Now Duke is telling that letter from Bellario recommends a young and a learned doctor of laws to our court. Now where is the doctor? At that point of the time, Nerissa is telling he is waiting nearby. What is Nerissa telling? The doctor is waiting nearby to know your answer. Your answer means Duke's answer. Okay, to know your answer, whether you will allow him to enter your court or not. Duke is telling, I welcome the most heartily. Okay, Duke is telling that I welcome the doctor. Okay, now Duke is telling that 3 or 4 men go and bring him in with all courtesy and politeness. Okay, and in the meanwhile the Duke is going to read out the Bellario's letter. Okay, now Duke is telling that 3 or 4 of you go. Okay, bring him here. Bring him here means bring the doctor here, and the Duke will read Bellario's letter. Okay, now look, this is Bellario's letter. Bellario's letter is being read. From this letter, your grace will understand that I am very sick at the time of your letter has come. I am very sick. I refer to, who is I here? Bellario. Okay, your messenger means Duke's messenger. When Duke's messenger came to Bellario's house, Bellario was very sick. Okay, as per Bellario, Bellario was very sick. Clear? But at the moment your messenger came here, a young doctor of law of Rome named Balthazar paid me an affectionate visit. Okay, and at that time a young doctor of Rome was there in Bellario's house. Okay, now who is this young doctor of Rome? It is referred to Portia. His name is Balthazar. Okay, Portia took the name of Balthazar. Okay, I acquainted him with the cause in controversy between the Jew and Antonio. Now Dr. Bellario is telling that to Balthazar, he has told everything about Jew and Antonio. Okay, we turned over many books together. We referred to Dr. Bellario and Portia in disguised name of Balthazar. They turned over many books together. Okay, and now Dr. Bellario is praising about Balthazar and telling that he had never known another young man with so much wisdom or intelligence. Okay, Dr. Bellario is telling her, I never knew so young a man with so old a head. Old a head means experienced man. Therefore, in the end, Dr. Bellario tells the Duke that you will be kind enough to accept his service. Okay, he is telling that I'm sure you will be kind enough to accept his service. Up to this much. In my next class, I will continue with this scene. Until then, goodbye.